Okay, so here is a video of the failing Ghost cassette that I have. The sound is very dull, so let's try it here, if you can hear. Even if I try different treble settings with more bass, it sounds terrible. And a different program. It's like that throughout the whole cassette, so let's try another cassette. I have recorded Pink Floyd here. And this one is clear. Let's try a different program. Nothing wrong with that sound. So let's try the Ghost cassette again. Pera spera din ferie. It's a very good song, but I can't barely hear anything. Different program. Oh, this is impossible to listen to.